Hello everyone, come back with me, Erliser Setia Firda, and in this video I would like to present about pragmatics. Pragmatics have a lot of branch, and some of them are implicature, surface meaning, and hidden meaning. And now we will talk about three of them. But first thing first, do you know what is pragmatic? So, pragmatic is a branch of linguistics that studies meaning in context, not just literal meaning of words. The focus on pragmatics is how speakers convey meaning and how listeners interpret it. And the meaning is not always the same as the literal words being spoken. And then the first is implicature. So, implicature is the implied meaning that is inferred from conversational context. It is introduced by H.B. Chris in 1975 through the cooperative principle. The types of implicature is first, conversational implicature and conventional conventional implicature. Conversational implicature appears in everyday conversation, while conventional implicature is attached to certain words. And the characteristic of implicature is first implicit, and then context dependent, and third is cancelable. The example of implicator is when someone said, "Do you like my cooking?" and the others responds, "The plate is really pretty." From that, we can imply that the response is they don't like the food, so they say anything else about uh, the cooking, which is still positive and not hurt the chef. Okay, and then the second example is when someone said, "I have to wake up early tomorrow." It means that sometimes it implies that they don't wanting to go out tonight, but they refuse it in a polite refusal. Okay, and then we go to surface meaning. Surface meaning is the literal or explicit meaning of an utterance. It doesn't require context to be understood, and the characteristic is clear, direct, and no hidden intention. The example is when someone said, "I'm hungry." The surface meaning is the speaker really feels hungry. And then when someone said, like the previous sentence is, "I have to wake up early tomorrow." It no implicit meaning because it's a literal fact. And while hidden meaning is the implicit meaning behind the utterance influenced by tone, social situation, or culture. It is often used for politeness, irony, or subtle criticism. The example is when someone sit in a room in an indoor area and they said, "It's really hot today." The hidden meaning is it is a polite request to someone open the window. Or the example like before is "I have to wake up early tomorrow." It can imply a subtle refusal of an invitation. It's almost the same as an implicature, right? But now I have made a comparison about three of them, so you can be understood. You can understand the material wisely. So the first aspect is about the meaning. In surface meaning, the meaning is literal, while in implicature, the meaning is implied through context. While in hidden meaning, the meaning is hidden. It is based on the social or cultural context. And then, surface meaning can be known from the word of the word or sentence itself, while in implicature, it can be known, the meaning can be known from context and principle of cooperation. And hidden meaning, we can know the meaning can be known from tone, social situation, or the culture. So, implicature and hidden meaning is need context, but surface meaning it doesn't. And the example in the same sentence is when someone said, "I have to wake up early tomorrow." In surface meaning, it is the literal fact, but in implicature, it implies that someone not wanting to go out tonight. And the hidden meaning is it can imply a subtle refusal or a refusal of an invitation. So the conclusion is implicature is what is meant, and surface meaning is what is said, while hidden meaning is what is intended but left unsaid. Language is not only about words but also about context and intention. So that's all from me talking about pragmatics. Maybe next time I will share about others branch of pragmatics. So, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.